5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab. Select the shape. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Change the color of shape. Duplicate the shape. Then select another shape. Change the color. Select the erase color. Go back the color. Select the 3D shape. Extrusion. Duplicate the shape. Then select the text edit. Select another shape. Size the shape. Change the color. Another shape. Change the color. Select the size. Select the 3D shape. Extrusion. Adjust the shape. Select another shape. Adjust the shape. Duplicate the shape. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.